In this video, I'm going to show you how to close the Epic Games Launcher when it says that it is currently running. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the Task Manager. If you're on a Windows 10, all you want to do is you want to go to the bottom bar right over here, right click, then select on this option that says Task Manager. Then it is going to give you a list that looks like this. Do not be overwhelmed. From here, all we need to do is we need to go ahead and scroll down until we see the Epic Games Launcher. So sometimes what the Epic Games Launcher does, it just runs in the background. So up here is the Epic Games Launcher. So you want to go ahead and locate the Epic Games Launcher, right click on it, then press on End Task right over here. And as you're able to tell, it is now gone. But that is not it. What you guys also need to do is you need to look for either epicgameslauncher.exe or epicwebhelper.exe. If you see any of that in this list, what you want to do is you want to end the tasks the same way we did previously. And also, if you see Fortnite, Rocket League, or any other Epic games, you want to go ahead and click on it, then press on End Task like that. Then afterwards, wait 10 to 20 seconds and see if that does work. But if this process still doesn't work, what I recommend that you guys do is reboot your PC. So if all else fails, a restart guarantees that the process resets. So that is another way that you could do it as well. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.